Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to uninstall and remove the Mail and Calendar app on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, search for apps. Best results should come back with apps and features. Go ahead and select that. And then over here on the right, you want to go ahead and search this list for mail and calendar. Best result should come back with mail and calendar. Go ahead and select that. Then select uninstall. It says this app and its related info will be uninstalled. Select uninstall. It should say uninstalled once that's done, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.